Ruckus, nobody is buying our fancy electromagnetic spears. I'm getting sick of them lying on top of a cart.
First, my name is already. Second, we were given this assortment of weapons from that obscure yet somehow damn wealthy Russian guy, and you accepted that deal.
I mean, he was right about everyone wanting a grenade launcher, but no matter. Perhaps we should decrease the price by 40%.
40%, Joshua? Are you insane? People will question the quality and value of our products.
Remind me what market we are in again. Oh, the fashion industry. Please. Either way, we will still get our fat stacks.
Fat stacks? What languages?
Profit, Ruckus. Profit, I say. Because you see... Hello. How can we help you today?
Just this one. Thank you.
Okay, mate, that'll set you back a fuck ton of money.
See, Ruckus, you don't have to discount the price.
What? That was your idea?
Please, I know you just like a quick buck. You don't understand the quality and value of these items. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Well, to give props to the next fool I'm assassinating, at least he's very good at keeping cover. Oh, Never mind.
Ooh, another masked man. I thought I was the only one. How are you doing today, my fine gentleman?
Cut the crap.
Whoa! What the hell, man? We just met. What's the hassle, bro?
For a middle-aged man, saying bro is quite literally the most embarrassingly stupid thing I've ever heard.
Oh. I get what all of this is now. Face the undisputed wrath of Parkland.
Oh shit!
Electricity. That's your mantra? Never mind. Besides, I prefer to open fire. Wait. It's not meant to. Congrats! The day is won. You've filled your own selfish desires. It doesn't matter anyway. There's not much of us.
Oh no, shit, I didn't realize.
Hush now. What's done is done. While you're at it, please take this. I know now about the reason for his whole assassination debacle.
I could bring you back to New York. We could patch you up and...
Disruptor, this ain't a fucking charity.
Chris, you asshole!
Yada 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 freak. I was just there to add another kill to my resume. Is that so wrong?
Well, it is because,
Yeah, shut up.
Gentlemen, I have a proposition.
Oh, Beetle. You're hired to do this whole USB collecting mission now, too?
A snitch. Perfect to add as one of my kills.
No, she's mine. This here is my favorite part. Snitch just to any of his friends, you die. Chat to your family about this predicament, you die. Call the police, and what happens?
Why is this necessary? Can't we just kill her?
The last two hits in this particular operation of ours were messy, to be polite. I, personally speaking, prefer efficiency. There is a reason why not all journalists are 100% truthful. Disruptor, dispose the body for me, will you?